Hey guys, I will show you today how to find related keywords with Keywords Everywhere tool. So I'm on the Chrome web browser and I've got Keywords Everywhere already installed on this browser. So whenever I search in Google for a keyword, it will show me related keywords and obviously the search volumes as well. So let's search for I don't know, cotton t-shirts. Search for cotton t-shirts and I will show you what kind of data we have got by keywords everywhere. So this is cotton t-shirts. I hope you can still see me. Okay, perfect. So this is cotton t-shirts and we've got, okay, I'm not sure why keywords everywhere. There we go. We've got 320 volume per month. I'm not sure how accurate it is, but obviously it does give you an idea. Cost per click as well, if you wanted to use it for your Google Ads campaign. And if you scroll down here on the right, you will be able to see related keywords to this phrase with the search volumes as well, so you can use them within your content. So there we are. If you want to find out more about this particular keyword, just click on this red barrel and it will give you additional information, which is fantastic. So this is the tool that I mentioned earlier in the article that you can download, and it is for Chrome and Firefox browsers. Okay, so it does take time, so I'm not going to wait until the end, but basically it does give you more data on this particular keyword. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.